Jesuit Robotics, a high school robotics team from Sacramento, California, has been designing remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, for more than a decade.
We developed the grippers ourselves. The cameras are modularly adjustable buoyancy systems.
Jesuit Robotics recently exhibited its underwater drone at a competition in Long Beach, California. Called the Manatee, this underwater drone can map shipwrecks or work on environmental projects.
We have our custom AI detection software. Our bottom gripper helps us restore seagrass beds.
Entrancing many, the recent discovery by ROV of the Endurance, which sank in Antarctic waters in 1915. That effort cost an estimate $10 million. ROVs have been slow to take off among hobbyists, however. Several startup companies are making design changes and adding technology to make drones work better underwater and reduce cost. Blue Robotics, a Los Angeles firm, works on waterproofing underwater drone parts, such as the thruster, which propels the ROV in the right direction, and has added various sensors measuring temperature, pressure, and depth.
Instead of trying to protect the motor from the water, why don't we make a waterproof motor? And so that's really the innovation here.
These new underwater drones cannot go to the deep sea, but they are being used in conditions unsafe for human divers and by hobbyists, says Fritz Starr, an ocean technology expert.
The ability for everybody or more people to be that explorer, to be that person who understands what's going on in their local environment is really important.
Unlike aerial drones, technology has yet to solve the problem of underwater communications. For now, these drones are controlled by a tether. Genia Dulo for VOA News, Los Angeles.